Hello friend, in this video we discuss about pay-per-click purposes. In the last video we discussed about the pay-per-click intonation. What is pay-per-click? What is pay-per-click? We know about pay-per-click, and now we discuss about purposes of pay-per-click. Purpose of pay-per-click. Pay per click along the cost per impression CPM and cost per order is used to assess the cost effectiveness and profitability of internet marketing and drive the cost of running an advertisement campaign as low as possible while retaining set goals. In cost per thousand impressions CPM, the advertiser only pays for every thousand impression of the ad. Pay per click PPC has an advantage over cost per impression in that it conveys information about how effective the advertising was. Clicks are a way to measure attention and interest. If the main purpose of an ad is to generate a click or more specifically drive traffic to a destination, then pay per click is a preferred metric. The quality and placement of the advertisement will affect clicks, click through rates, and the resulting total pay per click cost. We hope you like our videos. Friends, now we discuss about bid-based PPC. The advertiser signs a contract that allows them to compete against other advertisers in a private auction hosted by a publisher or more commonly an advertising network. Each advertiser informs the host of maximum amount that he or she is willing to pay for a given ad spot, usually using online tools to do so. The auction plays out is in automated fashion every time a visitor triggers the ad post. Friends, we hope you like our videos and subscribe our channel. We meet in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye.